Want to know how to get more YouTube subscribers organically? Welcome to our comprehensive guide where we'll unveil strategies to help you grow your subscriber count sustainably and organically. From creating valuable content and optimizing your channel for SEO, to engaging with your audience and promoting across platforms, we'll touch on all the key aspects of YouTube growth. Because let's face it, organic growth is the cornerstone of a thriving YouTube channel. So dive in and start growing your YouTube channel today. Your journey to gaining more subscribers starts with creating valuable content. And when we say valuable, we mean content that thrills, educates, or inspires your audience. But how do you create such content? It all starts with identifying your niche. Finding your niche is like finding your place in the YouTube universe. It's about discovering where your passion and expertise intersect with what people want to see. Whether it's baking vegan cupcakes, sharing fitness tips, or reviewing the latest tech gadgets, your niche is your unique selling point. It's what sets you apart from the crowd and attracts an audience who shares your interests. Now, once you've found your niche, it's important to maintain consistency. Consistency is not just about posting videos regularly, although that is certainly important. It's about creating a reliable brand that your audience can trust. This means maintaining a consistent tone, style, and quality in your videos. If you're posting a baking tutorial one day and a car repair guide the next, your audience might get confused. Stick to your niche and create a content schedule you can realistically maintain. This way, your audience will know what to expect and when to expect it. And finally, let's talk about delivering value. The most successful YouTubers are those who provide something of value to their audience. This could be in the form of educational content, like how-to guides or tutorials. It could be entertainment, like comedy sketches or music videos. Or it could be inspirational content, like personal stories or motivational talks. Think about what value you can provide to your audience within your niche, and strive to deliver it in every video. At the end of the day, gaining subscribers isn't about tricking people into clicking the subscribe button. It's about creating content that resonates with your audience so that they want to subscribe. It's about building a community of loyal viewers who look forward to your next video. Remember, content is king and consistency is queen. Now that you have great content, let's make sure people can find it. How do we do that, you ask? Well, it's all about SEO, search engine optimization. Think of the internet as a vast library and SEO as the system that helps people find the books they're looking for. In this case, your videos are the books and your audience are the seekers. The better your SEO, the easier it is for your audience to find you. Let's break it down. The first step in SEO is keyword research. Keywords are the terms that people type into search engines when they're looking for something. You want to find out what keywords your target audience is using, and then use those keywords in your content. Tools like Google Trends or YouTube's autocomplete feature can help you identify popular keywords in your niche. Next, you want to optimize your titles and descriptions. Your title should be clear, engaging, and include your main keyword. Your description should provide context about your video and include related keywords. But remember, while keywords are important, your title and description should still make sense and be interesting to your audience. Then we have tags and categories. Tags are like keywords. They help YouTube understand what your video is about. The same goes for categories. By choosing the right category for your video, you're helping YouTube show your video to the right audience. Lastly, we have thumbnails. These are the small images that represent your video on YouTube. You want your thumbnails to be eye-catching and give a good impression of what your video is about. Use bold colors, clear text, and high-quality images to draw people in. So there you have it, the basics of SEO for YouTube: keyword research, optimized titles and descriptions, tags and categories, and eye-catching thumbnails. It might seem like a lot, but each piece plays a crucial role in helping your videos get discovered. After all, what good is great content if nobody can find it? Optimized videos are your ticket to being discovered on YouTube. Engagement is the secret sauce to building a loyal subscriber base. It's not just about broadcasting your content into the void, but about fostering a genuine connection with those on the other side of the screen. One of the most straightforward ways to engage is by responding to comments on your videos. By doing so, you not only acknowledge your viewers' time and thoughts, but also stimulate the kind of dynamic conversation that YouTube's algorithm loves. It's an opportunity to create a sense of community around your channel and make your viewers feel valued. Now, let's not forget the power of feedback. Inviting viewers to share their thoughts, opinions, or questions can be a goldmine of engagement. You see, when you ask for feedback, you're not just giving your audience a voice, but you're also gaining insights that can guide your future content. It's a win-win. Then there's the magic of calls to action. Encourage viewers to like, comment, subscribe, and share your content. It may seem simple, but these actions can significantly boost your visibility, helping you reach a wider audience. Remember, it's not about begging for engagement, but about reminding viewers that their actions can make a difference in your channel's growth. Finally, consider hosting live streams and Q&A sessions. These real-time interactions can bring you closer to your audience, while also providing a unique form of content that's fresh and engaging. You might be surprised at how these live events can strengthen your connection with your viewers, making them more likely to stick around and hit that subscribe button. In conclusion, engagement is a two-way street. It's about showing your audience that you value their presence and their input. It's about creating a sense of community and making your viewers feel like they're part of your YouTube journey. So don't just speak to your audience, speak with them, engage with your audience, and they will engage back. Don't limit your promotion to YouTube alone. To truly amplify your influence and subscriber count, it is crucial to tap into the power of cross-platform promotion. This means expanding your horizons beyond YouTube and stepping into the bustling world of other social media platforms. Think about where your audience hangs out online. Are they scrolling through Instagram, sharing thoughts on Twitter, engaging in Facebook groups, or perhaps they're part of the TikTok craze? Whichever platform they prefer, make sure your content is there too. By sharing your videos across these platforms, you are reaching out to a broader audience. But social media sharing is just one part of the equation. Collaboration is another vital aspect of cross-platform promotion. Consider teaming up with other YouTubers or influencers in your niche. This could be in the form of a joint video project, a shout-out, or any other creative idea you could come up with. Collaboration not only introduces your channel to a new audience, but also adds a fresh twist to your content. And let's not forget about guest appearances. They are a fantastic way to get your voice heard in new circles. Whether it's a podcast, a virtual summit, or featuring on another YouTube channel, guest appearances can significantly boost your visibility. So, remember, don't limit your promotion to YouTube alone. Expand your reach and watch your subscriber count rise. YouTube offers us tools to enhance our engagement. It's like having a secret weapon in your arsenal. One of these tools is end screens. These are clickable links that appear at the end of your video. You can use them to promote other videos, showcase playlists, or even encourage subscriptions. Then, there are cards. These are interactive panels that you can insert at any point in your video. They can direct viewers to other videos, merchandise, or external websites. Playlists, on the other hand, are a great way to increase watch time. By grouping related videos together, you can keep viewers on your channel longer, and they'll be more likely to subscribe. Lastly, let's not forget about YouTube Shorts. These are short vertical videos that can attract new viewers. They're quick, they're fun, and they're a great way to promote your channel. So, leverage YouTube's features to keep your viewers engaged and coming back for more. Lastly, keep an eye on your YouTube analytics. This powerful tool provides a wealth of information about how your audience interacts with your content. It's like a backstage pass to your viewers' behavior. Pay close attention to metrics like watch time, retention rates, and click-through rates. These numbers offer a glimpse into how engaging your videos are, and if they're holding viewers' attention. A high retention rate, for instance, suggests that your audience is finding your content captivating. Another key aspect of YouTube analytics is identifying which of your videos are driving the most subscriptions. This can give you insight into the types of content your audience appreciates the most. Once you've identified these trends, you can tailor your future content to match these preferences, ultimately attracting more subscribers. Remember, YouTube isn't just about creating content, it's about creating content that resonates with your audience. Your analytics is your roadmap to YouTube's success. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to gaining more YouTube subscribers organically. We've discussed creating valuable content, optimizing your channel for SEO, engaging with your audience, promoting across platforms, utilizing YouTube's built-in features, and monitoring analytics for continuous improvement. Remember, The key to success is consistency, connection, and creating content that resonates with your audience. Implement these strategies and watch your YouTube channel grow. Good luck!